In this video, I'm gonna tell you what car is this, what's the good things about it, what's the bad things about it, and how much is it. Alright, so we're gonna get started. First of all, let me tell you, this color is amazing. This is one of the new Toyota colors that we got going on. As you can see, it's black, but blue. Alright, dark blue. If it's really sunny, then you'll be able to see a lot of blue. If it's dark, you're gonna be seeing it black. As you can see on that side, it's kind of black, blue here. So this is the color that replaced the other blue, the bright blue that we had. As you can see, it's pretty awesome. Alright, so what car is this? This is a 2021 Toyota Camry XSE. As you can see, it's got some pimped out wheels. It's got some silver on the bottom right there. Really nice, shiny front hood right there. Metal, silver, chrome, whatever you want to call it, all around the windows, and color coded door handles, so you can kind of like blends in. Same color as the whole car.
Sorry.
That's alright. Oh, and another thing that you gotta take a look is at the black emblems. As you can see, black emblems. Quadruple exhaust. Panoramic moonroof. Alright, so that's what it is. It's a 2021 Toyota Camry XSE with the new color that Toyota has. The good things about it are the blacked out rims, as you can see, blacked out emblems, the panoramic moonroof. That is pretty nice. And also, you get blue lighting right there. Pretty awesome. Also heated seats. You pretty much get all the technology that a Camry has. That's the good thing about the XSE Camry. You get it all. Everything. The bad things about it? Well, there's not many, but I can definitely find one. I mean, the good thing is that it has remote start included. The only bad thing though, the bad thing is that the remote start, if you use the one from your cell phone, that's gonna be fine. But Toyota's integrated remote start, it's got its flaws. And I'm gonna make another video about the remote start only, but that's the only thing. It's got the integrated remote start, which you have to press 1, 2, hold it on the third, and then it turns on. Which the bad thing about it is that you actually have to see the car. You can't just like press the button anywhere and then it'll turn on by itself. No, it's gotta be visible. You gotta see the car. You gotta make sure the lights are blinking so that the remote start turns on. So that's one of the bad things. The other bad thing is that everything's kind of too dark, that you can't really see the rims pop too much, because it's dark here and dark here, so it looks really nice, but it does not pop as much as if it was a white car with black rims. Now that would pop. Alright, so now I already told you what it is. I already told you good and bad things about it, so now I'm gonna tell you the price. So let's go ahead and go over here so that you can see that it's a 2021 Toyota Camry XSE, and the new color is Blueprint. 38 miles in the highway, 27 in the city. Here's the standard equipment: 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, 206 horsepower, 8-speed automatic transmission, sport tuned suspension. Then you can see all that by yourself. This specific one has the cold weather package. Oh, thank you. Navigation package, panoramic glass roof and front power, all-weather flow liners and preferred owners portfolio, which gives the price all the way to $35,073. So there you go, $35,073 for this bad boy, which I'm gonna turn it on so you can see the lights. That way you can see it all. You can see everything. I'm gonna show you. See, it's got some black thing in here. I'm gonna show you how this when you turn it on. Push button start. Bam. So let me take you down there to the front so that you can see the shininess. If you haven't seen the video about the lights, I did a video comparing this XSE to an LE, so that way you can see how amazing the lights change if you go up in trim level. So check that one out. But there you go. Hopefully this video is helpful to you if you're looking to buy this one. It is pretty amazing. All right, Edgar, Super Edgar 10 to the rescue. Que onda, si pecho arriba, las manos, caballo moreno.